can't eat under this pressure. I've never been so dirty in my life. Ew! It's something about and I had sunglasses on that I just can't function. I feel like I can't see good.
Yeah, see me going out.
I do not wear sunglasses.
Yeah, knocked over bottle.
I know. I told y'all. I feel like I can't see. Let me touch your wrist like Ray.
Yeah. Margie, right?
Yeah.
Well, look, Margie, from now on, you guys are going to be called the Raylets.
Raylets? Let me touch your wrist.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ. This is Danny, and we're hashtag the Cannons.
CCTV.
Alright, crew members, welcome back to our eating show. Alright guys, today we're back with another mukbang, / challenge, y'all. I know y'all looking like, what the hell? No, so I'm saying we all white, we white, that we crispy, we pure. But Jane, tell them what we're doing today, good?
Y'all, today we are doing B Loves Food Canvas Challenge. So we can't get our shirt dirty.
No, you're supposed to get it dirty. I think, yeah, that's like, y'all gonna see us all this crispy, this crispy white.
And y'all know I like to wipe my mouth.
Yeah, but we're not supposed to use napkins or anything like that. You have to use your clothes to, clean yourself up. It's supposed to be, this is your blank canvas, and at the end of the video, you know what I'm saying, there's gonna be your artwork. And so this for everybody that cringes when I wear white shirts on seafood boils and stuff like that. Oh, you really gonna cringe today. Today is your day to cringe. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing, y'all. If this is your very first time on this channel, thank y'all for being here. We ask that you please, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell, set your notifications to all so you'll be notified every single time the Cannon starts some heat for that ass.
Oh yeah.
And remember, hit that like button. It really helps us out. Y'all remember hashtag grow baby grow. We are less than 10K away from 100K, which is a huge milestone for us. So we want to say thank y'all to anybody who is contributed to that number. And we just ask that y'all continue to share us out and tell a friend. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and pray and we're gonna get into this food. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Lord, we ask that you bless, let it be next to our bodies, and bless those who are less fortunate. All these things we ask in your son Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
So we told you what the challenge is. I don't think we told them what the food was.
We did not.
So y'all, so this is like North Carolina spicy dip chicken. I don't know if y'all ever have it. It's like a North Carolina thing. We got certain restaurants that sell it. And yeah, I did it kind of my way because I'm not sure exactly what goes in it, so I try to get the best flavor. And it's kind of messy. I'm gonna add some more sauce onto it too.
And we also are trying these that tomato pasta noodles.
So yeah, we got the ceyana tomato pasta. And they are tomato pasta flavor. For anybody trying to say they're not pasta, they're ramen. Tomato pasta flavor. So like a spaghetti. We got our little pots here with water going in there. Try to put like a little bit of water so I don't have to pour much out. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. Put your probably shit on there. What's that down in there? Yeah. And so got the sauce pack, which is the spice pack. It's the nucleus fire.
Oh,
and then the powder. The powder.
Get in there.
Turn it up.
Why don't you turn mine up?
All right, y'all, so we're gonna get in this whenever that's done.
My pot gonna be
that's
so
gonna
dirty.
be done. So I wanna lay it first.
I'm scared to eat.
Look at that. Ooh. Oh, yeah. crumb. Alright, y'all, just do some more sauce. Just to make everything saucy.
Saucy.
Woo. Alright, my own about done. I ain't stirred them much.
I want to wipe my mouth so bad.
It's a good thing I put half the water though. Well, there ain't much again. You said you want, oh, I almost did it. I almost used a napkin. Hey, I already dropped some stuff, but.
I guess I should go like this. Full shirt.
I am gonna wipe the sauce up right here. Cause I kinda I don't want it to interfere with my noodles. I wanna know how they taste. And I'm about to put my noodles right there. We're back, so I'm about to add this powder. Tomato flavor, tomato pasta powder.
My gloves all wet.
Look at that.
What is this accent?
Look at that.
No.
Look at all that powder sauce there.
Stop it.
Yeah, this is like, it's got the flavor in it too. Don't smell just like the Nicholas pie. So, take my noodles, I guess, with my hands.
Is that what you doing?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh. God damn! I can't eat under this pressure. Ugh, so dirty. I've never been so dirty in my life. Ew!
My cheese ain't gonna melt. Let me see.
It might.
Let me stick it in there. Stick it in twinks.
In twinks.
And twinks there. Look, I keep wanting to reach my napkin. It's so wrong.
Just miss.
Let's see, you can go for a wine.
A wing. Chicken wing. It's something about, and I had sunglasses on. God, I just can't function. I feel like I can't see good.
Yeah, should be going out.
I do not wear sunglasses.
I'm knocked over a bottle.
I know. I told you I feel like I can't see. Let me touch your wrist like Ray.
Yeah. Margie, right?
Yeah.
Well, look, Margie, from now on, you guys are going to be called the Raylets.
Raylets?
Let me touch your wrist.
Why you touch my wrist?
See good.
Oh, you beautiful.
His hoe. A ho-ho was a hoe for 2 hours. The movie about 3. That's why I said 2. Ray, you ought to be shamed. It's chicken good. The chicken good.
The chicken is good. It tastes like it too, don't it? I was worried it wasn't gonna taste like it. All right, let's see what these noodles is talking about. Those are good.
They are.
They taste do like got a little spaghetti flavor to them.
I think I'm missing the whole part of this challenge of not. I'm trying not to get dirty.
That's a good flavor. Now look now. Alright, y'all, I ain't even pulled up. Y'all, I got this
Ain't pulled up.
watermelon lemonade that we made from zero sugar lemonade and a Kool-Aid pack.
Come on, little cheese. All right, here I go. Blow my butter.
Oh, that's it. That's it right there. They're good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. I like them.
Did you put the hot pack in there?
Yeah, I put both.
Cause she was talking about, I ain't putting that.
I ain't want to.
It's good though.
But how would I know what it tastes like if I didn't? It's still hot.
Dang, I don't like the spicy sausage, y'all.
I don't. Here I go.
Oh wow.
Why you gotta make a noise, sweetie?
You know you worked it right on your breast.
When I do things, that I sit my arms like this on them.
Oh, it's a freak.
When we was playing Mario Kart last night, you ain't see me over here like this.
I was playing a lazy way.
Yes, you were. And that's why you were losing.
I was losing because that purple rain was getting to me.
Purple rain.
Y'all, this is wine called Purple Rain. It's made from Concord grapes. It tastes just like Welch's. I don't know what it is, but that sauce on the noodles be hotter.
You think so?
When it's on noodles, it's hotter.
Know about that. Everything's so hot.
If you like the 2 times spicy flavor, whatever, try the tomato pasta out. Them good. Them good.
I like them.
Them bitches hot though. The cheese flavor and the combo flavor ain't got no heat to me. Those seem to have more heat though right there.
Maybe
It might just be today.
these ain't so bad to me today.
Really?
But you remember when we was drinking Friday, I told AJ, when you drink like that and eat spicy noodles, because we was watching Marquise Hilton, and he was like, I'll eat these spicy noodles later when I'm drunk. And I'm like, it's worse for me then. It feels like it's like intensified.
It's hot.
I'm actually fine today. Ooh. I didn't use the napkin. Don't get me wrong, it's still hot. But I'm doing better than I was Friday because I was complaining.
Real.
So I'm not putting that pack in there. I'm not doing it.
Mine was fine. It's funny because she probably doing better than me now. On Friday, I was like, and she was like, it's hot. I'm like, really? They good though.
If y'all ain't tried that caramel crunch, that ain't what it's called, is it?
What?
That Chick-fil-A, that milkshake. It ain't called caramel crunch. I'll put it on the screen. I just call it that because I'm mixing the Starbucks drink with that.
It's something like that though, for real.
It's really good. Y'all go try it. Share it with somebody. That's what me and AJ did.
Yeah, we only got one. And we split it because it was like, I was like, ain't no need now. Well, I ain't want a whole milkshake.
Right.
Oh, I would never drink chocolate milk again ever in my life on them people's job.
Especially not in the middle of the day.
Thought initially we was gonna do like a seafood boil with this challenge. I was like, in my mind, I was like, I definitely didn't intend on doing nothing spicy. Like not. Really. B-Love said it was about the canvas. So I was like, cause she about passed out on her video.
Baby.
What?
I'm about done.
What?
These noodles don't. I ate a noodle. I don't no more chicken. And the chicken ain't even that hot. I should have ate that first. Oops. I suck.
Chicken buzzing.
You want to do this? How you pronounce words?
Yeah, come on. You done changed it. You thought you said it wasn't that hot. You changed your mind.
That last little bit was something else. Or maybe I was eating it so fast I ain't noticed. Lord, I ain't got no more water. All right. How you say this word? I'll put it on the screen for y'all.
Crayon.
What?
Crayon.
Oh.
The second one.
Crayon.
What the hell is a crayon?
Crayon.
What no crayon?
Alright. Next word. I say caramel.
Caramel.
Whatever. That's what most people say.
Sometimes I find myself saying
That's
stuff
strange.
like, I might say it because she say it. Like, I'm talking to her, I might, like she said caramel crunch, I might say caramel.
I say caramel.
I grew up saying caramel. It was caramel.
Caramel. Alright. This one.
Pecan.
Pecan.
Not a pecan.
Pecan.
And not a pecan.
What do I say? Pecan.
It's pecan.
Pecan.
Anybody eating no pecan?
Somebody eating a pecan. Alright.
Adult.
Adult. What's the other one?
Adult. I be hearing people say adult.
Yeah.
Adult. She's an adult. She's an adult now, so I don't think.
I want spicy.
Syrup.
Syrup. Syrup.
Syrup.
Oh. Like a steel.
Well, them noodles got
more
you in a
people
chokehold
say-
because you can't pronounce neither one of these.
Syrup. My lip hurt.
More people say what? Syrup.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's strange.
must be white people.
You need to leave. That is just
Okay.
This is a survey for white people. They poll all white people,
I'm so dirty.
which ain't nothing wrong. Shout out to white folk out there. But I'm just saying, I don't really hear too many black people say syrup. Syrup.
Syrup. All right, this one.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
What are they saying? Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Right,
I guess.
what did I
they
say?
think- What did you say?
Cauliflower.
I think I say
Cauliflower.
this one.
Cauliflower. I think I do too.
Oh.
I think whenever if I like break it, like if I say it slow, I'm gonna say Lee. But if I just say it, I'm gonna say cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Yeah. All right, this one.
It's supposed to be Celtic.
I say Celtic.
That's what the team they call the team the Celtics, but that's pronounced Celtic. That is the word Celtic because it's
And you know what's funny? When we watch Seamus on YouTube, I say Celtic.
it's that's what it is.
But
And that's what he says, Celtic warrior.
But when I see the team, like you just said, I
Celtics.
definitely say Celtic.
Right, That's just mispronounced like all this time. It's like, cause it's definitely supposed to be Celtic.
All right, last one. New Orleans.
New Orleans.
I think they say it like
New
that.
Orleans. New Orleans.
I do not say it all the way out.
I feel like that's how my mama say it.
Shut
New
up.
Orleans.
Most definitely do not say it all the way out.
Why do you hold your hands up? Wipe them.
No. I can't be dirty.
Shirt did anyway.
I'm on now. It was
Dang,
such a nice shirt.
Let's show y'all our canvases.
I can't. Here y'all go. Y'all always gonna talk shit about somebody standing up. I'm standing up. Get up.
Oh, shit.
It's the glasses. These glasses is turning me into a bad person.
I told her she looked like she talked shit about people with them glasses on. She like she is somebody's auntie jacket. So
I can't wait till I get old anyway.
anyway, y'all.
That's the first thing. Hey, where you get more juice from?
Is your mouth hot?
I'm going straight to the refrigerator.
Is your mouth hot?
Yeah, it's cooling down now, but when we was playing that game,
Yeah, that's why your ass couldn't say that.
fire me up.
She over here. I'm like, they got it spelled phonetically, and you over here.
And then,
Syrup.
you know, like when we sitting up here, because of my anxiety, I'm like, hurry up and mix. There's a possibility I didn't mix it all the way good, probably in one spot. And that might have been the hot spot.
That probably what happened too.
Because I was fine at first. I mean, I could taste the spice, but I was fine. And then that last little bit, honey, it must have been some powder hiding under them.
Could have put some, I got a whole bottle over here.
Ooh, that's all right. I don't like that,
Could
man.
have added some extra.
I don't want that shit.
Look, there goes some of my flavor powder right there. That's probably that's all it
On
tasted.
the side of the table.
That's all it tasted was the hot sauce. Vicky's World, you would love these. Let's call out some people.
Yeah.
Because B-Love was like, you know, I do this as a challenge. She was like, if you want to, because she felt like she failed it. But I felt like she did all right. But I think she couldn't finish her video. She didn't go as long as she wanted to. But that was a video for me. I think her mouth just got hot and she said, I'm done. But we're going to still call out some people just because we want to call out some people. So the first people we're going to call out, Miss Louisiana, housewife, and Madison. While we're talking about, so I'll call out Vicky. Who else you want to call out, baby?
Do CJ and Sharice too.
CJ and Sharice say y'all got some. It's Slay Timber.
It's like them, buddy.
Who else we got? BB Eaton. BB Eaton, go ahead. Go ahead, bro. I did get your message about your challenge. We just hadn't got around and doing it yet. And mainly because I'm trying to find some veggies that ain't go, cause like raw veggies don't be agreeing in my stomach. That make me really.
This man has always talked about broccoli bothering him. It don't bother me like that.
Raw broccoli?
I don't be gassy.
Man, look.
I don't like chewing it up, but I like it. It don't bother me.
What's that? 3 people?
4.
All right, y'all. So yeah, y'all go ahead and do this. I think this is cool. You know, we might do something else with the white shirts a little bit.
What are you gonna do with them? But throw them in the trash?
Not these white shirts.
Oh.
We're gonna bleach them and see what happens.
Nothing, because I tried to bleach the one you tore up the other day. You want to go see it? It looked about the same, honey. Just the stains is a little lighter. That's all.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all for joining us today. Really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Y'all like this video and drop a comment down below. Remember to share this video out with everybody, because sharing is caring. So care about us. Y'all, we love you. We mean it. We're going to catch you on the next video.
Shout out to the crew.
Shout out to you.
Y'all have a good week. Bye-bye.